Sandy, look! The colors are dancing and moving away. Wow! The color dancing and moving away. Do you like it? Hi friends! Hi friend! Hi Sunny!
Hi Mom!
Yes, today we will show you a magic milk experiment. We need to prepare milk, dishwashing liquid and food coloring. First, we pour some milk into the plate. Sunny, now, Sunny pours some milk in the plate. Be careful. And now, we drop a few colors into the milk. What colors is this?
Pink.
Do you like pink?
Yes.
Okay.
Look.
Okay, Sunny, cover lid. And now, what color is this?
I think purple.
It's a purple.
Help me.
Okay. Here you go. Sunny, say.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Wow. Okay, I think that's enough. And
I want green.
yes. Sunny like green?
Yay! For you.
Yes.
Look.
Yes. What color is this?
Look.
Blue.
For you.
Wow. Okay. And now the last one.
This one.
Okay. Okay, you can open it.
What color is this?
I think that is red. Oh no, another place. Yes. Squeeze a little bit. Okay, done. It is dishwashing liquid. And now, Sandy dip a cotton pads into dishwashing liquid and tap the milk. Wow, Sandy, look! The colors are dancing and moving away. Wow! The color dancing and moving away. Do you like it? Wow! Sunny, do you know why the colors dancing and moving away? Because the sugar break the fat in the milk, so the colors move. Amazing, right? Oh, the color running.